This is day one of our new vlog.
Yeah. Dude, I thought that'd be. See you on the flip side. I need to find his ball, Josh. You know where it's at?
Just chillaxing, Blizzard. Relaxing after you're worn out. Alright, later, buddy. Me and Ryan are kicking back, watching a movie called Zodiac: Signs of the Apocalypse. Ladies and gentlemen, I am actually I'm cleaning up this. I'm home from work, obviously. I'm cleaning up the Bluetooth for the sale because I gotta pack this up and get it ready to ship on Monday. It's a Bluetooth keyboard. I'm charging it because, you know, I'm one of them nice people that charge things before I send them off. So I make sure the customer has all the cables and in a fully charged device. And I am updating and erasing the iPad software. There's a bug in here. But that is pretty much it. And I'm going to play some Destiny, hopefully, if I have the time. But you never know. Might just watch stuff or play some God of War. I'm shirtless, so I'm not showing you my big belly, my Buddha booty, my booga belly. But yeah, what? There's really nothing else for me to tell you. So I just want you guys to accept it for what it is. Accept that Hershey's been absolutely in love with her new bed, huh, Hersh? Hey, Hershey, you like your new bed? Do you appreciate it? Here, tell us all how you feel. I love my new bed. This is where I'm at all times of the day now. Because I am a lazy kitty. Well, thanks for letting us know. If you like this video, like, subscribe, thumbs up, leave a comment of encouragement. But most of all, keep enjoying looking at my room when I have nothing to say. Whoa, so much cool stuff. Wow. I wish I had that Star Wars cell cut out from the original movie. Wow, I'm so jealous. I know you are. It's alright. How many of you know of Star Wars: Revenge of the Jedi? Yeah, who's gonna correct me and say it's actually Return of the Jedi? Yeah, well, look it up, buddy. Later now. Hello, guys. Dominic says he's gonna be up until midnight playing Destiny tonight.
If I was at my actual house, I could stay up all I wanted.
Really?
Because they didn't make me go to sleep at 12.
Well, that's not very responsible. Children need to go to sleep at specific times. Oh, okay. Well, it looks like it might rain. Is it an outdoor pool?
Yeah. Thank God.
Where'd it go?
I'm on my way to work an hour early, but gotta deal with it, right? Oh, woe is me. Woe is me. 7.